Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Schools.
I would like to give a short introduction about Guru Schools. Guru Schools is one of the leading IT consulting firm. It's a one place where you can enroll for many technologies. I will describe how you can have everything at one place if you get enrolled into the Guru Schools. At first, we will discuss about the benefits offered by the Guru Schools. For example, if you enroll in Guru Schools, we will be providing a free IT training. This free IT training is a live interactive session. So I will be teaching the classes and you will be listening it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask immediately. And we can also provide a mock test and we can also provide the interview preparation as well. And we can also provide a certification post training. And we will be providing the interview support as well. At the same time, we will be providing the project support as well. When it comes to six pillars of Guru Schools. So it offers instructor lead training. So it's like a live session. We will be interacting and post training. We will be providing the certificate. And the important thing is resume preparation. So resume preparation plays a key role to showcase your skills to the interviewer. So we will be providing the resume preparation and we can also provide vendor interview preparation help at the same time client interview preparation help. So based on my experience, I will be teaching you how to crack the interview. Once you crack the interview, so we will also provide a project support. I am your trainer, Srinivas Kondapalli. I have 6+ years of experience in multiple domains such as web development, automation testing, and cybersecurity. I taught to many of the students who are interested in my listed domains. When it comes to the programming languages, it has two categories, front end and as well as back end. So I teach front end technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. I teach back end technologies like Python and Java. So I teach Selenium testing and REST API testing frameworks. And I also teach cybersecurity about what is networking, how attacker uses Kali Linux, how we need to defend attackers to protect the organization, all kind of things. And this is a short intro about me. Welcome to REST API testing training program powered by Guru Schools. This course is all about a REST API testing using Python programming, and it's a 8 week program. So in each and every week, we will be covering few topics. So if I want to discuss about every week, so on the week one, we will be discussing about introduction to Python and its usages, like how Python is very much useful in the current software industry. And when compared to other programming languages, how Python is much better. All those things they will be covered on a week one, along with the variables, keywords, data types, strings, and string method concepts. On week two, we will be discussing about the conditions, loops, and pattern programs. Along with that, we will be going through GitLab introduction and usage. So GitLab, how to use it in a real and time environment to submit your products or to submit your project related information and how to review them. All those things we will be covering in the second week. And on the third week, we will be covering a collections concept. Like what is the difference between a list, tuple, set, and a dictionary. So when to use what type of collection type. So, and we will be taking a real-time usage of collections. So whenever you took the real-time example, then only you can understand how actually those are helpful in the real world. And we will be teaching about JSON parsing. Why? Because in REST API, JSON plays a key role for data transfer. So we need to understand the JSON and we need to parse the data to make it user understand. And in week four, we will be covering about exception handling. Exception handling is nothing but how to handle errors in your program. And we will be discussing about packages and libraries and what are the differences between them. and also how to handle multiple files like CSV, Excel, JSON, YAML. So these are the multiple formats of the file. So how to read and how to write those files using Python programming, we will be discussing on that. Along with that, we will be discussing about GitHub. So what is GitHub? So how to use the GitHub and what is the difference between GitHub and GitLab? On week 5, I will be introducing to web languages like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. With the help of these languages, we are going to build a real-time web page. And I also make you to introduce the software testing and a manual testing concepts on week 5. So when it comes to week 6, so week 6 is introduction to REST API. So it is a core concept. So what is REST API and how many types of APIs are available? So why we need to choose only REST API? Why REST API is more popular compared to other API types? And what are the testing tools for API testing, like a manual testing tools like Postman? All those things will be covered. And we will be understanding a basic API testing concepts. On week 7, we will be discussing about what is authentication, what is authorization, and what are the differences between them, and what is parameterization and data-driven testing, and also handling the paginations concept, and also handling file uploading and file downloading concepts on week 7 with the help of REST API using Python program. And on the week 8, we will be discussing about loggers. So how to write a logger to your project or how to write a logger to your Python script. And also we will be discussing about the live projects. So whatever you have learned until week 7, it has to put into a real time. So for that reason, we will be doing a project, live project, and also scenario based question and answers, and also interview preparation. This is the main thing. So I will be teaching you all kind of questions, all kind of aspects, what they will ask in the interview. So I will explain each and every concept in detail. And this is the 8-week program on REST API using Python programming. I can tell you very comfortably, post this course, you will be in a position where you have a greater skill set compared to all other people who are sitting on the market. I can definitely tell you, you can reach at a position where you will have the 6-figure salary. Again, you can see the contact of email training at guruschools.com. So you can also communicate over the email, or you can also visit their website, www.guruschools.com, and you can also call them on their number 908 367 7037. So with this, I'm leaving here with your thoughts. I hope I'm very excited to see you in my next course of REST API testing using Python programming.